Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the YJ Yufu V2 M 7x7 Rubik's Cube. The YJ is popular about producing the budget cube with magnets. This is my first 7x7 cube and I'm very excited to unbox this cube. For your information, the fastest time to solve the 7x7 Rubik's Cube is 1 minute and 40.89 seconds. The record is held by the Max Park, a speedcuber from United States. This cube is 46 ringgit, and if I convert to dollar, it will be $10.98. You can see the YJ logo over there, and the cube is pretty fast out of the box. You can feel the magnetic strength when you turn the cube. The cube is 69mm length and weight over 231 grams. As you can see here, I accidentally scrambled this massive cube. And if you watch my old video, I can solve the 5x5 Rubik's Cube in around 9 minutes. And I don't know how much time I need to solve the 7x7 cubes. Fun facts: a regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube is have 43 quadrillion, 252 quintillion, 3 trillion, 274 billion, 489,856,000 possible configurations. Could you just imagine how much the possible configuration of a 7x7 Rubik's Cube? In my opinion, I think this cube can consider as a speed cube because it can turn smoothly and have a lot of magnets. For your information, a magnet is very important for a big cube because it can avoid the cube from exploding. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.